luxury villa in Wailea, Maui at Hololei. This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath zoned hotel townhome offers ocean views, turnkey living, and a strong vacation rental income potential, featuring a chef's kitchen and Wolf Sub-Zero appliances, private elevator, and expansive lanai with outdoor kitchen designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Located in a gated resorted community with pool, fitness center, and access to the Grand Wailea amenities. A rare opportunity to own in Wailea real estate. Let's go take a look.